For this 205-pound matchup for the UFC Light Heavyweight title. Once again, with our official introductions for this battle, the veteran voice of the Octagon, Bruce Buffer.
And now, introducing the champion fighting out of the red corner. This man is a mixed martial artist. He stands 6 feet 4 inches tall, weighing in at 205 pounds. Fighting out of Las Vegas,